officially that time of year again where fall is creeping up on us, and anyone who knows me knows that I'm a fall girly despite how much I love summer, despite how much I love being able to go on vacation, to stay in the sun and just have nice weather. I also really love to romanticize fall because it's one of my favorite seasons. Summer and fall are like hand in hand for me, and if you know anything about summer, you know that summer is also the start of Summerween. There's a lot of different ways you can do Summerween. The way I describe Summerween is just really romanticizing fall in summer. I haven't really participated in it before, but especially last year I grew a very big love for fall even more, and I told myself that this year we're definitely going to be participating in it. Now for some people that can mean really romanticizing both summer and fall and Halloween, you know, where Summerween actually comes from, summer and Halloween, but it could also mean just really romanticizing everything you would do during Halloween and summer. At least that's what I told myself. So today we're going to be really rubbing in those feelings of fall, really thinking about what I would be doing during fall. I know that Bath & Body Works just came out with their like Summerween collection, and I do want to go see if it's out officially yet. I also know that American Eagle came out with some of their Snoopy pajamas, and definitely want to go see what's going on there. And then I know that TJ Maxx and HomeGoods sometimes has some Summerween stuff out as well, so I definitely do want to go there as well. And then we're going to be making pumpkin everything. So Halloween inspired breakfast with some pumpkin coffee, some pumpkin pizzas, some pumpkin dessert, maybe some skincare, and of course I'm topping it off with my little outfit. This little pumpkin patch sweatshirt is from TikTok shop. I have these little fall inspired ears which are from TJ Maxx. I have my pumpkin slippers which are from the TikTok shop, and I think they're so stinking cute, especially for fall. And then I'm also wearing, which I don't know if you can see right now, but my Snoopy little shorts which are from American Eagle. I got them last year. I do have the matching shirt, but I have no idea where it is right now. It's also a very gloomy day in New Jersey today, and I feel like that honestly matches the vibes because sometimes during fall and October it's really gloomy, but that really goes in with those fall musty vibes, and I've learned to kind of romanticize that. It's not raining yet, but it is supposed to, so I guess we'll see where this day takes us. I am quickly going to do a little bit of makeup, not too much, just a little, and then we're gonna start off this little vlog. I'm very excited. I love everything fall, and I love just being able to romanticize every single season to the max. And I know we're still in summer, and don't get me wrong, we will still be having a great summer together and really romanticizing those vibes as well, but I just wanted to do this little video before summer actually starts because I'm filming this before summer. I think summer is actually coming up this week. I think the official day of Summerween is the 22nd, and I just thought it would be fun to do it a little bit before summer so that we can really have those vibes on the actual day of Summerween. I know that you can probably celebrate it all summer long, but it's just kind of to kick it off. I'm also on the hunt to try to find the Pillsbury Halloween cookies, either the pumpkin or ghost ones. I don't know if I'm going to be able to because they're not in season yet, but I did look on Instacart to see if there was any, and I found one store near me that might have them, so I'm hoping that they actually do. Sometimes it says they do and they don't, which is completely fine, but hoping that they actually do. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do for makeup. Just do a little bit of plump. My hair, I honestly don't know what I'm doing with it. For right now, I'm just gonna put it up while we make our little breakfast together. And then for my little perfume, I have this Arapistyle Cake Sugary Caramel and Toasted Coconut Creamy Musk perfume. I actually got this from TJ Maxx, but it really is just giving me those Summerween vibes because we have Toasted Coconut, which reminds me of summer, and then we have Caramel, which reminds me of fall. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on, and now we're basically ready for the day besides my hair, which we'll fix in a little bit. I think right now we're gonna go make some Halloween inspired pancakes or waffles. I have a waffle maker that's a ghost that I really want to use, and then I have my viral dupe Anthropology pumpkin juice cup that I want to make coffee in. So let's go do that and light a candle while we do it. Here's the full fit. I think it's so cute, so summery, and I'm obsessed.
I came right up to you and said
just made breakfast. I think it turned out so good. I did some ghost pancakes with a few sprinkles in them. I have my little setup that's all Halloween, and then I have my pumpkin spice coffee with some sprinkles on top, and I'm so excited about this. I'm outside now for a little bit. I wanted to do some like Pinterest scrolling for Summerween and make a little Pinterest board because I felt like that would really get us into the spirit. It is honestly not a nice day out, and it's really reminding me of fall. Like, I'm kind of cold outside, which is weird for the summer. We have the pool open, dogs are outside running, and we're gonna do some Pinterest inspired Summerween activities on Pinterest, if that makes sense. It is lunchtime now. I'm thinking me and my boyfriend are gonna barbecue chicken later and really have that like type of barbecue fun experience for the summer, but still make it like spooky-ish. I have a few things that I saw on Pinterest that I definitely want to incorporate. Right now, I'm thinking I want to make a little Halloween-inspired pizza. I love making homemade pizzas, and I have all of the ingredients. I think I'm just gonna do a pumpkin or ghost pizza. I'm not sure which one yet, but I think it'll be really fun, and I'm excited. So let's make our little lunch together.
Chair across the table, echoes in the room. Shadow stands on barren walls, once with the melodies of you. Memories linger in the air, like whispers in the breeze. I'm longing for your presence.
Originally I was gonna make a ghost, but I ended up being able to turn it into a pumpkin. I think it looks really cute, like a little jack-o'-lantern. Now it's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for around like 25 minutes, but I'm gonna check it through its cooking. I just did a fresh pizza dough, a pasta sauce because I didn't have pizza sauce, some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and then some fresh basil, and it smells really good. It's a little bit later now. The pizza actually turned out so good. I didn't show the ending of how the pumpkin turned out because even though the pizza itself was really good, I don't know what happened in the oven, but it didn't really look like a pumpkin anymore, but it's okay because the whole thing was about the taste and it was still a really fun activity. Honestly, because of how gloomy and not nice it is outside, I was gonna go to the mall and look at American Eagle, but I decided to just do it online because I know that, especially since it's only June, they might be sold out. So I figured it'd be nice to just look together and do a little bit of shopping. I found a few days ago that American Eagle had their Snoopy pajamas out, and if you know anything about these pajamas, you know the second they come out, especially early, you have to get on it right away or they're gonna be sold out. So I'm just looking up American Eagle fall Snoopy pajamas to see what we can find. Like, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute these are. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna need those. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put those in my cart for now. It looks like they still have some in stock, but there's a lot of people eyeing them. Oh my gosh, they also have the Snoopy socks to go with it. Well, obviously we need to get those as well. Let's see what else they have. Oh, this outfit that they have is really screaming fall to me. I'm not sure if you guys can see like a complete look. Look at how cute all those outfits are. I am obsessed with all of them and I want all of them, but we're gonna do some self-control. I also see that they have a white little pajama set, which looks really cute. I really like this as well. See, this is the problem. I like everything. Look how cute this is. That's adorable. I think I'm gonna go with the white one just because I think it's more practical for the aesthetic that I like. I think I'll get more use out of it. And then I see that they have some pumpkin slippers, which I'm not gonna get because I do have my own pumpkin slippers, but they are really cute. Okay, I'm gonna get that in a minute. Now I wanna look at Bath and Body Works Summerween sets. I don't know if it's out yet. I saw a TikTok on this, but I don't know if it's actually out or like when it comes out. Nothing's coming up on Bath and Body Works yet, but I do see the Summerween collection doesn't come out until July, which we'll definitely have to look at, but it does look like it's in the works. And I did see a sneak peek on TikTok and it looks really cool, so I am excited about that. I am going to buy these little American Eagle pajamas. Don't worry, we are still gonna go to TJ Maxx and maybe Michael's and even possibly Home Goods as well to look to see if they have any of the decor out, but the mall's just a little bit further and it's already 3 p.m. so I just thought this would be a good thing to just do online, especially since I'm not sure if they have it in stores yet. I just ordered it. I am so excited. That's all the shopping I'm going to do right now. I really want to go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Michael's, kind of like all the stores and just see what type of Summerween stuff they have. So I think we're gonna do that because it wouldn't be a true Summerween vlog if we didn't. That's not true, but it's just really screaming fall to me if they have the stuff. I hope they do. I know Michael's does. I don't know if my TJ Maxx or Home Goods does yet, but I hope they do. Clearly today is just not a good hair day for me, so we're gonna really ignore that because it is annoying me, but at the same time I can't really fix it because it's extremely humid and I just don't have the energy to do it right now. But I just got back from doing my little shopping and just like looking around, and now I want to do some baking. I wasn't able to find the Pillsbury little cookies, which I honestly had very little hope for because it is the middle of June, but I do want to do like some type of fall baking. So I'm thinking I might do a cake or cupcakes and just make it very like orange coated. So let's go to the kitchen and see what we decide to do.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. I think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey,
Cake is made, very spooky colors, and I think it's gonna taste really good later after dinner.